man, it's not every morning you get up at 5 to go to a car show. But today, it's gonna be worth it because we finished the truck and it ships out for Texas like literally Monday. And I called up Scott and I'm like, hey, can you come over and do your magic and film one of your awesome videos for me? Maybe shoot some pictures, trade you with beer. And he's like, dude, you gotta bring it to the show. That car show that I go to, it's by Malibu. I'm like, I don't know. And I'm like, wait a minute. Got my mate, which is something I picked up in Argentina. It's like this tea that it doesn't make me all jacked up like coffee. So I don't sound like an auctioneer when I'm making these videos. But here I am, looking for wherever the hell the boys put the truck. Oh, found it, finally. All right. Man, that's like life-threatening cold here in California. But not much traffic, so I'm happy. Nothing like driving directly at the sun. All right, here we go. Man, I've seen this thing 1,000 times. When it's done, it's a whole new thing. Oh man. Jesus. Gotta hand it to you guys. Oh, that's a pretty nice mini. Looks like a mini, but don't sound like it. Oh. I'm okay. Scott brought his RS clone pace car. I wanted to do a mini in that color once. Torque steer. Probably should have shifted a little while ago. gotta warm her up, you know. We got a D16y8, pretty much factory spec. So we had to order like, I don't know, 50 sets or something of these gears. It was just a ton of money, but I'm really happy we did it. So every car we're gonna do now, this is. If you're going with a Honda, this is what you put in there if you want to have a front wheel drive setup and the transmission setup. You know, it's with Synchrotech building and all. It's all warranted and everything. So I feel everybody's gonna be happy with that. And we haven't had any issues with them. This is running an open diff, so that was a big issue for me because I'm like, no, I want to pause traction. I want to make sure this thing gets kind of acceleration without having a lot of, you know, right hand turns. But the farther you go towards a race car, the less enjoyable the car is. Like the less Sunday cruises and the less actual driving or friends you want to take around. This setup is perfect. This is what everybody I would recommend if you want a car you're going to drive. You want an old car with a modern drivetrain that's not going to keep you abandoned. You put a Honda in there, this setup, this gear ratio, that's it. Made it to the car show, and there is some awesome stuff here as usual. I mean, it's amazing the kind of cars you have here. I mean, I've been to a lot of car shows. This is California car culture is alive and well, and got a group of people vandalizing the truck.
You see the fin truck?
These are like 10s, not even.
What's the size of your dad? It's a Honda.
That's not that bad.
Everybody seems to like it. I know I do. I literally am pissed that I have to ship it out on Monday, because I would love to have that in my garage. I mean, I'm a little biased because we built it, but it's so cool, and it drives really well, like incredibly well, and I fit in it, ish. And anyway, if you're ever in Texas and you go to a car show, there's a chance you're gonna luck out, and you might be able to see this and a couple of our other customer cars. And anyway, I'm gonna go and enjoy this car show, see if I can get some inspiration and maybe a coffee. Let's go. I mean, if you gotta get a Porsche, it's either yours or that. Check out this BMW. This thing's cool. Sing-a-lang, sing-a-lang. You might recognize this guy here. This is OG, best client anyone could ever have. Good buddy now. He had the red top Mark 1.
It's known as the red top.
Formerly known as red top?
Yeah, exactly,
now it's cream top. If it was a wrapper, I'm gonna let Scott take this thing for a little spin, because he knows the difference on the gears. I think he'll be able to tell us what he thinks. So
I'm into it. Let's do it.
All right.
This is water. Actually, I can feel a difference in this.
Yeah, it's a little different.
It feels tighter.
Well, she's brand new.
Let's see if I can swallow it.
And as we weave through this, what is this? Every time you want to drive a car, there's like 50 people that back out.
This is not YouTube friendly. Truck. This one truck is nice.
Yeah.
This is cool.
What are your thoughts?
This one's mine.
All right. Sorry. This clerical error. I know this car was supposed to go to Texas. Client already paid for it and everything, but there's this minor error, and we're just going to put Scott's name on the paperwork and just let him have it, because he's taking
another one.
Yeah, we'll build him another one. You know, it just takes a couple years. You know,
The brown on purple is pretty much.
yeah,
This is perfect.
I love it.
Yeah.
This.
I wouldn't want to put anything in the truck bed though.
Well, no, we made a big old rubber like yoga
thing.
mat, but it's
Oh.
like that thick, heavy. It weighs like 100 pounds, and it just sits back there. And because he wanted to throw miniature golfing clubs back. Oh yeah, the AC works. You know, did you?
Shifts are smooth.
Yeah.
It's weird. Like the handling feels. It's still non-power steering, but it feels a lot looser. No, I should say loose, easier. You know, you're not doing this and then trying to turn. The shifts are super butter. Idle's very smooth. The seats are ridiculously comfortable. It gets a thumbs up for me, for sure.
He's driven all of them.
I'm actually kind of bummed out now, but that's all right.
Well, just keep saving.
I'll just, you know,
saving. I know a guy.
Do another one.
I know a guy that can get you one. Just gives me a couple years.
Either a truck or a van. Done. I did the coupe.
Yeah.
Love it, but truck or van.
No, your next round, it's got to be something.
Wow.
Start picking colors. You can't have purple or eggplant or what is it called in England? Gabardine. Yeah, gabardine.
Better not call it eggplant.
I made a joke on the Instagram thing, and I'm like, yeah, it's like eggplant purple. Yeah, the most popular emoji.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
I was gonna say you're just gonna get inundated.
And this car, the good thing about a little truck like this, you're not making up for your eggplant problems.
No. You can't be taken serious in something like this. That's the whole point.
It's a real man's car. The Mini, I gotta say, the Mini Woody is the highest level of manliness. But this truck, I would say, is right after that.
This is sick.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So this car is so cool that I picked up this little lady, and we're going to lunch. Huh? What do you think?
Sounds good to me.
Wish us luck. I found this cool little restaurant. Kind of appropriate. Yeah, got the wood. The old wood. Hey, what's this place called? The Old Place. We're at the Old Place here out in Malibu area with an old truck.
Look at that. Show them over there. That old truck's a coffee shop. Espresso.
Oh, that's too cool.
Only open on the weekends.
That's now. Let's go get some.
And you know what? You got to go to the front. You got to show them the front of the old place.
That's the Old Place right there.
Now there's a wine.
And then there's the church wine tasting.
Look at this place. This is where you drive an old mini truck.
Yeah, huh?
Hey, what do you think?
Oh, I like
I reckon. You like it? You dig it? Yes. This here is my new favorite wine tasting place.
It's called Cornell. Cornell Road. The old place.
If you got a mini truck, you gotta get a hat like this. It's kind of nice. It's got like a little bungee thing to it.
I think it was good. How many gallons does that have?
That's it. 4.5.
Is that 4.5 gallons?
Now where's my truck? With the cowboy hat. Look at this.